In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil boot on your Kia Soul. It's located under the hood. Take this off, set it aside, disconnect this connector to your high pressure fuel pump, and disconnect the connector to the ignition coil. Set it aside. To disconnect these, you're just going to push in on the button and pull. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket, and we're going to take out this bolt holding our ignition coil in. Set it aside and pull out your ignition coil. To replace the boot, I'm going to twist, pull that out, and then we're going to take the sleeve off. Now we're going to replace it. Put the sleeve on, place your spring in, put the boot on, make sure your spring is in there, and now we're going to install it onto the car. Place your ignition coil in, go straight down, gently press, then you can put your bolt in. I would start this by hand. You're going to be torquing this to 96 inch-pounds. Once it's torqued, you're going to plug in your connector here, plug in your other one over here. Do the same to the rest. Make sure you line up your engine cover here with these. And then you're just going to press in. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.